Hi students, welcome to Good Shepherd's offline classes. This is your IT class. Then today's topic is output devices part 2. Then we are dealing with the topic plotter. Okay, you already know what are the output devices. Monitor, that is visual display unit, and printers. Now we are study about plotters. What is a plotter? A plotter is a computer hardware device just like a printer. Okay, a plotter is a computer hardware device just like a printer that is used for printing vector graphics. Used for printing vector graphics. Instead of a printer's toner or cartridge, plotters use pen, pencil, marker or inkjet or any other writing tool to draw multiple continuous lines onto paper. A plotter prints vector graphics. So what is a vector graphics? That I will explain later. A plotter prints vector graphics. This means it can print on very large sheet. Compared to printer, it can print very large sheets of paper. And also this plotter maintain high resolution, high clarity images. It is used for creating high quality designs, graphics, chart, engineering drawings, computer aided designs, computer aided manufacturing designs, and the printing the designs for building house, ships, etc. This is the difference between vector graphics and raster graphics. First one is the first image is VS. No, the first image is made up of raster graphics. The second one is made up of vector graphics. When you are close look to these images, the first one is not much clarity compared to the second one. Okay, now. So vector graphics use mathematical equations to draw out our designs. These mathematical equations are converted into points that are connected by either lines. Each picture is made up of small lines, either lines or curves, and they make up all the different lines. Okay, so using these mathematical equations, images are formed by lines or curves, or even they are using some basic mathematical designs, forms. Okay, then when we are reducing the image, the clarity never will be lost. When we are reducing the vector graphics images, the clarity never will be lost. Okay, compared to raster graphics. Raster is another type of image file format. Raster and vector. In this, plotter follows vector file format. Maybe these file extensions are file format are .svg file, .cgm files, .odg files, and also .xml files. So vector graphics follows this type of file format .svg. Most popular one is .svg. But in raster graphics they follows .jpg. JPG, you know, joint photographic image file format .jpg. JPG file .png files. But in plotter they follows vector graphics. Vector graphics symbol, they use mathematical equations to draw lines or images, designs, etc. Then there are two types of plotters. First one is drum plotter. The next one is flat bed plotter. Drum plotter. Next one is flat bed plotter. This is drum plotter. Okay. And this type of plotters, there is a drum and paper and pen. Okay, instead of toner or cartridge, just like in printer, plotter use pen, marker or inkjet. Okay, for using that designs or impressions, they use these type of printing tools. And then in drum plotter, drum is there, and also paper, and for writing tools they use pen, marker or inkjets. Okay, in this, paper is wrapped around a rotating drum with a pin feed attachment. During printing, the drum revolves. During printing, the drum revolves while the actual pen or marker does the printing. Okay, so this drum plotter is also known as roller plotter because the drum is rotating, revolving. Drum plotter or roller plotter. Paper is wrapped around a rotating drum with a pin feed attachment. During printing, the drum revolves while the actual pen does the printing. Okay. So, this is the one of the drum plotter. The drawings or designs are formed by that drum revolves. Okay, during printing, that drum is revolves and the pen or marker does the printing. So paper is wrapped around a rotating drum. Next type of plotter is flat bed plotter. This flat surface, that flat surface of the plotter is called bed. Okay, that is why they are known as flat bed plotter. It is a graphic plotter that has flat surface on which the paper is placed. It draws by moving a pen is in both horizontal direction and also vertical directions. So another type of flat bed plotter. In this, paper is fixed on flat surface. Okay, flat surface means that bed. On bed, paper is fixed. Then pen is moved to draw the image or drawings. It is mainly used for graphics purpose. In that pen, different color, we can use different colors of pen to draw. Pens are moved to draw the image. So, a flatbed plotter is a graphic plotter that has a flat surface on which the paper is placed. It draws by moving a pen in both horizontal and vertical directions. Okay, the flat surface of the plotter is called bed. Then the size of the our drawings depends on the size of the bed, that flat surface. This plotter has a flat place or surface called bed. Paper is adjusted on that flat surface or bed. It has set of pens. We can use different colors pen. That pen moves on the paper. And then what are the advantages of plotters over printer? We already studied about printer. Then what is the difference between these two, plotters and printers? Plotters can work on very large sheets of paper with high resolution. Okay, but plotters are highly expensive as compared to printers. And plotters are so that much speed compared to printer. Less speed compared to printer. Okay, plotters can work on very large sheets of paper with high resolution, high clarity. They can print on a wide variety of applications, a wide variety of flat materials, not only the paper, including plywood, aluminium sheet, steel, cardboard, and plastic. But printer prints on paper, but instead of paper, plotters can print plywood on plywood, aluminium sheet, steel, cardboard, and plastic. Understood? Then plotters allow the same pattern to be drawn thousands of times without any image degradation. That means when we are reducing the image, the clarity never will be lost. Okay, it will follow the same pattern. Then thousands of times. Then what are the disadvantages of plotters? Plotters are quite large. You know that picture. Plotters are quite large when compared to a traditional printer. We already know there are different types of printers, impact printer and non-impact printer. So these are dot matrix printer, inkjet printer and laser printer. So plotters are quite larger compared to traditional these type of printers. And plotters are also much more expensive compared to traditional printer. Understood? And when was the first printer invented? The first printer was invented in 1953. Okay, by Remington Rand. So Remington Rand invented the first plotter in the year 1953. Can I ask some questions? Yes. The flat surface of the plotter is called bed. Understood now? The flat surface of the plotter is called bed. So flat bed plotter is a type of plotter. That surface, that flat surface is called bed. Second one, dashed plotter is also known as roller plotter. So that revolving method is in drum plotter. Okay, so in drum plotter is also known as roller plotter. What are the different types of plotter? Yes, first one is drum plotter. Next one is flat bed plotter. Okay, so the main difference between flatbed and drum plotter is that the drawing surface is wrapped around the perimeter of the drum. Okay, the drum plotter are generally smaller than flatbed. I hope all are understood these points very well. Okay, so what is a plotter? A plotter is a type of printer designed for printing vector graphics. Okay, thank you.